mag-graph nung entrance nitong mga nationalities na nabanggit ninyo, Commissioner. You also have the records of the other visa issuing bodies and agencies.
Yes, Your Honor.
Could you submit that to us also?
Economic zones.
Please submit that to us, Commissioner. We're
Yes,
very
Your Honor.
interested to see the influx.
And Mr. Chairman, siguro another submission lang. Kasi parang may nahuli kayo sa airport na I think Korean ata yun na in possession of a Philippine passport. And it's not a fake Philippine passport. It's a legal Philippine passport. So, hindi, totoo siyang Philippine passport. Buti na lang alert yung ating immigration officer. Nagulat siya para nagkaroon ng Philippine passport. Hindi nga marunong magsalita ng Tagalog. So, can you just give us a update kung nagkaroon ba ng masusing investigation kung paano nagkaroon ng Philippine passport?
Pero would you have that data? Kasi passport is issued by the DFA pero meron din kayong information on that, Commissioner?
Yes, Your Honor. For this year alone, we already intercepted about 10 genuine Philippine passport but fake na tao, fake na Pilipina.
Fake Filipino.
Yes.
So, what was the giveaway? Pag in-interview nyo, di marunong magtagalog.
Hindi marunong magtagalog.
Opo.
Then yung itsura, based on the appearance, tinatanong na ng tinatanong. And we always submit to DFA a query on the
Pero
authenticity.
hindi nyo ba tinatanong yun pag huli nyo? Paano nyo nakuha yung passport? Ano?
Di nila alam.
They always deny any
yes,
knowledge of... pero do they say there is a fixer who linked them up? Meron bang ganon? Definitely DFA yun, pero diretsa ba sila sa opisyalis o may fixer o what? Ano yung modus operandi?
Usually the answer is binigay na lang sa kanila.
Binigay na lang.
Siguro, Mr. Chairman, baka maganda, this is something that NBI can also investigate, considering na may ganong numero na pala.
Yeah, definitely.
Mr. Chairman,
yes,
this is not only an immigration or foreign affairs issue. This is a national security issue already.
I agree. Now, especially with the...
security na ito. Isipin mo, ilan na nahuli nyo, sir?
10, Your Honor.
10. Ilan kaya ang hindi nahuli? So, ang tanong niya, kung 10 tayo nahuli, ilan kaya ang hindi nahuli? National security issue ito. For all we know, boom, nandiyan na sila lahat. Kompleto na. Mayroon na sila passport
May sinabi na bang DFA dyan? Doon sa query ninyo?
The last response we received is they confirmed the issuance of the passport, but they are still investigating as to the circumstances of its issuance. But all the persons subject of this 10 are taken custody by immigration and charged with deportation cases. And eventually, if there is no case within the country, they are deported.
Di ba yung paghawak pa rin ng peking passport kaso na that's already the subject of a case?
Yes,
subject.
yes, Your Honor.
Pero pag ganun, dahil wala pang na-file, pwedeng i-deport?
Yes, Your Honor. It's supposed to be the DFA who will file, considering that the DFA is the suing authority.
Okay.
But very interesting facts po ito. Sayang na laman sana natin ito when we were deliberating on the new Passport Act na tanong natin ito. So, you deport them, Commissioner?
Yes, Your Honor.
Saan punta?
Because
Philippine passport sila eh. Paano?
yeah, but we have record if they have used previously a foreign passport on our travel record.
So, all the 10 were previously visitors to the Philippines?
There are some, but like for example, the last one, just last week, a deaf and dumb person, PPM-Bingi, using a Philippine passport also. But he was carrying several IDs also of a Thai national. So, pending determination of his true nationality, he's still in our custody.
Yeah, Mr. Chair, with the permission of Senator Coco, yung 10 na yun, sir, hindi niyo na lumabas sa investigasyon kung paano lang nakuha at sino yung kanilang kontak. Kasi dapat talaga maputol natin ito kung sino yung nagbibigay ng passport niya. Legal, authentic passport yun, given to a wrong person. So, dapat mahinto talaga ito. Dapat yung 10 na yun, na-determine na natin kung sinong kontak nila sa DFA na nag-i-issue ng passport na yun. Sa ngayon ba, nakaalis na yung mga 10 na yun?
No, Your Honor.
Andiyan pa?
There are, I'm not certain of the number, but most of them are still in our custody.
So I advise you na dapat kontak kayo ng Chinese-Filipino na pwede nyo gamitin sa interrogation. You interrogate them properly para talaga lalabas ang katotohanan dahil delikado ito. That's national security issue na ito. Paki-follow up lang, sir. Hanap kayo ng Chinese-Filipino na pwedeng tumulong sa investigation para malukit natin kung sino yung mga tao na yan. Hindi natin pwedeng pabayaan yan.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Sorry again, with your permission, forgive the Pero yung in relation to the earlier dialogue about hold departure order, yung kung hindi file ng DFA ng kaso yon, is that the proper subject of any kind